In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add external tool information to Asana using CSV import and task links. First, open Asana and head straight to the project where you want all this outside tool information to live. It helps to make sure you're in the right workspace and the correct project view, whether it's list or board, so you can immediately see new tasks as they're added. If you're bringing in a batch of items, prepare your external tool data in a CSV file. Keep things clean and simple. One row per task and clear column headers. Include columns for task name, assignee, due date, notes, and status if you track it. Use a date format Asana recognizes like YYYMMDD, and make sure assignee names match how they appear in Asana. For notes, you can paste helpful context from your external tool, summaries, key details, or relevant IDs, so everything's searchable once it's in Asana. Next, use Asana's import option to upload your CSV. Inside the project, choose the import feature and select your file. Asana will load a preview to help you confirm everything looks right before committing. If you spot odd characters or misaligned columns, cancel, fix the CSV, and try again. A clean import saves time later. When you reach the field mapping step, match each CSV column to the appropriate Asana field. Map the task name to name, assignee to assignee, due date to due date, notes to description or notes, and status to the best available field in your project. Take a moment to confirm date formats and assignees are recognized. It's worth double checking this screen because correct mapping ensures tasks appear exactly where and how you expect. Finish the import and then review the tasks inside Asana. Scan through for any missing owners, incorrect dates, or formatting issues in descriptions. If a few tasks didn't land perfectly, adjust them directly in the project now, renaming, reassigning, or updating due dates as needed. This quick quality check keeps your project reliable from day one. Finally, add links to external tools inside each task's description for easy, direct access later. Paste full URLs to documents, dashboards, design files, or tickets so they're clickable. Add a short label before each link to clarify what it points to, and place the most important links at the top of the description for visibility. With the links in place, anyone opening the task can jump straight to the external source without hunting around. That's it. By preparing a clean CSV, importing with careful field mapping, reviewing your tasks, and adding clear links and descriptions, you'll centralize outside tool information in Asana and streamline your team's workflow.